Since 1978, California has fallen from 21st to 46th in spending per student. 1 in 10 of its bridges is in disrepair. More than half of California's county hospitals have closed. What happened? Here's a big part of the answer and what you can do about it in less than 3 minutes. In 1978, California voters passed Proposition 13, which began to assess property for tax purposes at its price when it was bought, rather than its current market price. This has protected homeowners and renters, but it's also given a windfall to the corporate owners of commercial property. They don't need this protection. They're in the real economy. They're supposed to compete on a level playing field with new companies whose property taxes are based on current market prices. That's why what they own is called commercial property. This windfall has caused 3 big problems. First, it's shifted a bigger share of property taxes to California homeowners. Back in 1978, corporations paid 44% of all property taxes, and homeowners paid 56%. Now, after exploiting this loophole for years, corporations pay only 28% of property taxes, while homeowners pick up 72% of the tab. Second, it's robbed California of billions of dollars needed for schools and local services. If all corporations were paying the property taxes they should be paying, California communities would have $9 billion more in revenues this year. Third, it penalizes new and expanding businesses that don't get this windfall because their commercial property is assessed at the current market price. But they compete for customers with companies whose property is assessed at the price they purchased it years ago. That's unfair and it's bad for the economy because California needs new and expanding businesses. Today, almost half of all commercial properties pay their fair share of property taxes, but they're hobbled by those that don't. This loophole must be closed. All corporations should be paying commercial property taxes based on current market prices. The giant corporations that are currently exploiting the loophole for their own profits obviously don't want it closed, so they're trying to scare people by saying closing it will cause businesses to leave California. That's baloney. Leveling the playing field for all businesses will make the California economy more efficient and help new and expanding businesses. Besides, California's property taxes are already much lower than the national average. So even if corporations pay their full share, they're still getting a great deal. Right now, a grassroots movement is growing of Californians determined to reform this broken commercial property tax system and who know California needs more stable funding for its schools, libraries, roads, and communities. Please join up at makeitfairca.com.